Here it is. You want some? I'll bet you do. Here we go. Benvenuti a tutti and welcome to another episode of Taste This with Frank Gallo. I know you're wondering, why am I wearing my pilot's uniform? I just got back from a long flight. I have all of tonight and tomorrow off. I couldn't wait to get cooking, so I just got started right away. Tonight we're gonna have an amazing meal. We're gonna have Mamma Gallo's Shrimp Fra Diavolo. It's so easy and inexpensive to make at home when you pay so much for it in a restaurant. I'll show you how to do it better than the restaurant. Stay tuned. Are you ready? Are you ready to taste this with Frank Gallo? Mamma Gallo's Shrimp Fra Diavolo. Here we go. Get a nice little shrimp on there. Here it is. You want some? I'll bet you do. Here we go. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yes, it's legal. I'll explain. Oh my God. Fantastic. Delicious. So easy to make at home for under $10 in about 10 minutes. In a restaurant, this dish would probably cost you about $35. Guys, I want to thank you very much for watching this episode of Taste This with Frank Gallo, Mamma Gallo's Shrimp Fra Diavolo over a bed of fettuccine. I also need you to hit that like and subscribe button. Really important so that I can continue to bring you more and more Mamma Gallo's easy, inexpensive recipes. Thank you. And most important, more important than anything in this world, I love you, Mama. I think of you every day. Rest in peace. I miss you.